In quiet forests, a sapling learns to bend with the wind, mirroring how people adapt to sudden changes. A tidal shore erases footprints, then rewrites them, just as life opportunities reshape the path of a human journey. Desert blossoms wait for rain, teaching patience and timing before growth appears in the harshest seasons. Rivers carve canyons over years, reminding viewers that persistence slowly forges identity and resilience. When frost returns, the tree holds its sap until spring, a quiet lesson in endurance and hopeful revival.